Hi everyone! Wow, look, this is Elsa. Let's draw our color in together. So first we're going to start with the pupils, and then we're going to do the eyelash, and draw the eye, and draw the iris. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Start with the eye, then the iris, and the pupil. Great job! That looks amazing. Let's do the nose, the bridge of the nose, the nostrils, just like so. Now we're going to do the mouth. So let's start with the upper lip, then the bottom, and now we're going to connect the two. Just like that. That looks so good so far. Now we're going to draw the eyebrows. So we're going to start from the top, come all the way down. Start from the bottom, go to the top, just like so. Love that. Now we're going to start with the face. Go down and go back up again. That looks lovely. This is one A and this is the second A. I love that. That's so good. Now we're going to do her hair. So we're going to start with the fringe. That's one swish. And this is going to be the second wave. And this is the third wave. That looks so good so far. And let's draw the rest of her hair. Now she's got a braid. So we're going to draw a longish line down, another line sort of parallel down. Just like that. Wow, now we're going to draw the inside. We're going to do curves in and then do the hairband at the bottom. Just like that. That's a beautiful braid. Now let's go ahead and draw her shoulder. That's one, and this is the second one. This is her arm. And this is the second arm. And this is her neckline. Woo! That looks so good. Let's go ahead and color it all in. Wow! Let's go ahead and draw our second drawing. What do you think this is? This looks like a triangle. And another curve and another curve. What character is this? It's a nose and it's a triangle. Let's go ahead and draw a circle for the eye. That's one. And this is the second one. That's great. I think this is starting to look a little bit like Olaf. That's the mouth. One big tooth. That's so good. Now let's draw the face. Wow, just like that. And then we're going to go up and do the head. And do one eyebrow here and another eyebrow there. Now we're going to draw hair. Looks a little bit like a carrot. Now we're going to do the body. So we're going to do a circle. And then a bigger circle after. Just like that. One big circle in the middle. These are the black stones. That's the second circle. And this is the third one. Wow. One foot here. And the second foot right here. It's looking so good. Now this is one arm. These are made out of wood. These are branches from a tree. And this is the second arm. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and color it all in. Now we're going to go ahead and do our third drawing. Let's start with the pupil, then the iris, and now the eye. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and do the second one. First the eye, then the iris and the pupil. Now the bridge of the nose, come down for the nostrils. Now the mouth, so we can start with the upper lips, go down to do the bottom. Just like that. The eyelashes right here. Let's do the same for the other side. Wow, great job. Let's do the eyebrows. Start from the bottom, go all the way up, just like that. And the same for the other side. Now time to do the face. So we go down and up again. Let's do the ear right here. That's looking really good so far. Now we're going to do the strand of the hair, then the second strand, and the rest of the hair. So this is the fringe. Wow, just like that. Let's go ahead and draw the rest of the hair. Now we're going to give her 2 braids. Now we're going to draw the second braid. That's looking really good. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw her shoulder. Let's draw the collar. Wow, that looks amazing. Now let's go ahead and color it all in. Wow, that looks so good, guys. Till next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.